Welcome back to our channel where we bring you helpful tips and tricks for healthy hair and scalp. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: dandruff treatment at home. If you're tired of dealing with dandruff and an itchy scalp, this video is for you. We'll be sharing effective remedies to help you get rid of dandruff naturally. Before we dive into the treatments, let's understand what dandruff is. Dandruff is a common scalp condition characterized by the flaking of dead skin cells. It can be caused by various factors like dry skin, oily scalp, fungal infections, or even sensitivity to hair care products. For dry skin and oily scalp, our first home remedy is using tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal properties that can help combat the yeast responsible for dandruff. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with your regular shampoo and wash your hair as usual. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll notice a reduction in dandruff over time. Moving on to our next remedy, we have apple cider vinegar. Its acidity helps balance the pH level of your scalp, making it harder for fungi to thrive. Mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water, then apply the mixture to your scalp. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Remember to moisturize your hair afterward to prevent dryness. Another effective remedy is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has soothing and antimicrobial properties that can help reduce inflammation and fight dandruff-causing microbes. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Our next remedy is fenugreek seeds. Soak 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. The next day, grind them into a paste and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing. Fenugreek seeds have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making them an excellent natural remedy for dandruff. Last but not least, we have coconut oil. Coconut oil has moisturizing and antimicrobial properties that can help soothe your scalp and prevent dandruff. Warm up some coconut oil and gently massage it into your scalp. Leave it on overnight for better absorption and rinse it off in the morning. Repeat this process regularly to maintain a healthy scalp. Coconut oil. And there you have it. 5 effective home remedies to treat dandruff and get rid of that annoying itchiness. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to these treatments. Give them some time to work their magic, and you'll see improvements. That's all for today's video. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.